Okay guys, if you're putting in a Wedi shower system, when you put in your pan is already going to have the actual drain parts to it. But you're going to need to buy your drain that sets up on top with the tile. Now I do like this because it's going to come with its own little guard that just sets over the top. And you can actually adjust this, cut this to whatever size tile that you're going to need, but it has to set down in there like that, and then these pieces just simply clip together and set in here. So once you've tiled and you have this built up, you can clean it out real easily by just lifting these up. There is also a strainer that you can put in here as well to help strain any other hair that might get past this. But do yourself a favor. If you're putting in a Wedi shower system, go ahead and get their drain cover. It'll make your life a lot easier. So if I was rating the Wedi drain cover, I would give it a 10 because it is extremely easy to put in. It looks really nice, and it's going to set off the rest of your shower and make it look great.